Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss promo code management. In promo code management, there are three main steps: create a service provider, create a promo code for the service provider, apply the promo code to create a service provider. From the table screen, click on the menu button, then go to Administration, and select Service Provider. This will take you to the Service Provider screen, where you can view existing service providers, edit them, or add a new one. To add a new service provider, click on the Add New button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. Enter the following details: name, email, phone, maximum debit, reference by. After entering the information, click Save. Your new service provider has been added successfully. Step 2. Create a promo code next. Create a promo code for the service provider. From the left menu, go to Administration and select Promo Code. Here, you can view all existing promo codes, edit them, or create a new one. To create a new promo code, click on the Add New button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. Enter the following details: promo code name, description, quantity, discount rate, select the service provider, expiry date, status. Click Save. And your promo code will be successfully created. Step 3. Apply the promo code to items. Finally, apply the promo code to items. From the table screen, select a table to go to the menu screen. Add the items you want to apply the promo code to. Select an item, then click on the promo button at the bottom. A pop-up will appear. Enter the following: promo code, quantity, discount, percentage. Click Apply, and the promo code will be applied to the item. You can also check the applied promo code on the item and add it to other items in the same way. And that's it. This is how you can manage service providers, create promo codes, and apply them to items in Spirit VPOS.